What if I told you that early retirement isn't just for the lucky or ultra-rich? It's actually the result of a few powerful habits practiced consistently. In this video, we're uncovering 10 habits of people who retire early and stay wealthy doing it. 1. They start with a vision. Early retirees don't just save money randomly. They have a clear, motivating vision of what their future looks like. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a passion project, or spending more time with family, that vision keeps them focused and disciplined. 2. They track every dollar. One of the most common habits among early retirees is budgeting. But it's not about being cheap, it's about being aware. Every dollar has a purpose. They use tools like a NAB, Mint, or spreadsheets to track spending, cut waste, and increase savings. 3. They max out retirement accounts. From 401k, and IRAs in the US to RRSPs in Canada, these people take full advantage of tax-deferred accounts. They often contribute the maximum allowed each year to benefit from compound growth and tax savings. 4. They live below their means. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly powerful. They drive older cars, avoid luxury purchases, and focus on value over status. This allows them to save and invest a significant portion of their income, often 50% or more. 5. They prioritize investing early. Time is more powerful than timing. Early retirees start investing as soon as possible, often in index funds, ETFs, or real estate. They know compound interest is their best friend, and the earlier they start, the more they earn without working harder. 6. They diversify their income. It's not just about saving. It's about building multiple streams of income. Side hustles, rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or even digital products help reduce dependence on one job and speed up their path to financial freedom. 7. They avoid lifestyle creep. As income increases, most people upgrade their lifestyle. Early retirees resist that temptation. They maintain the same simple lifestyle, even as their wealth grows, so they can bank the difference and accelerate their retirement plans. 8. They learn constantly. Early retirees are lifelong learners. They read finance books, listen to podcasts, follow experts, and stay up to date with market trends. This helps them make smarter financial decisions and avoid common investing pitfalls. 9. They plan for healthcare. One thing early retirees plan carefully for is healthcare. Without employer coverage, they research private insurance, HSAs, and healthcare options in retirement-friendly countries to avoid being blindsided by medical costs. 10. They don't wait for perfect timing. Lastly, they don't wait for the perfect job, perfect market, or perfect year. They start now. Early retirement is a result of small, consistent actions taken over time. Waiting is the biggest cost of all. Retiring early isn't about luck. It's about choices. These 10 habits can transform your financial future, one decision at a time. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's dreaming of financial freedom.